Hi guys, this is Stephanie Farron. I'm a technology facilitator at David W. Butler High School, and this quick video tutorial is how to create announcements in Canvas and to show the most recent Canvas announcements on a Canvas homepage. This does apply to both PowerSchool created Canvas courses and non-PowerSchool created Canvas courses. Step one is to create your Canvas course or go to your Canvas course that you want to turn on your announcements. Step two is you want to decide how many announcements you would like to show on your homepage. We do recommend not showing too many because it will drag your homepage further down the page so that your users will always see the number of announcements you have. To set this up, you're going to go to your settings in the left-hand menu. You'll have to do this for each of your courses. And then on this main settings page, you're going to go through your course details. When you scroll all the way to the bottom, you may have to actually click the more options beyond the beginnings. To come down into the descriptions, there's going to be one that says show recent announcements on the Canvas homepage. You'll make sure that's checked, and then it's going to ask you how many number of announcements you'd like to see shown. This is where you would select how many. We have ours set to 3. 3 to 5 is a good number at the most, maybe only the most recent one, and then you'll need to update your course details. Once you've updated your course details, your most recent announcements will show on your page if you have them. Once you've done that, remember that your students can also see announcements under the Announcements tab as long as you have your Announcements tab in navigation. You probably want that there for your students. Remember, for any announcement, if you've created sections for your course, you can make an announcement and then delay the posting and also set it up to whichever section you'd want it to be seen. So for example, maybe we only want an announcement that goes to seniors. So then those students would not see the announcements from other sections, so the sophomores or the freshmen. Remember, all announcements, just like other posts on the page, will always go to the student email as well. There'll be a message on the Canvas page that they have an announcement, and if there's a parent observer attached to the course, they will also get those announcements as well. So you're kind of hitting multiple people at one time. All right, so that's how you do that. You can do it for both PowerSchool created courses and non-PowerSchool created courses. Enjoy!